this video, we're in Hiriketiya.
You got a $50 budget and we're gonna see how far it gets us.
What are your first thoughts of this place?
I love it. That's gonna be like.
How are you feeling about surfing right now?
At this moment, I'm very afraid. But we'll be fine. We'll be fine.
Paddle, hand on the board.
This one's a juicy one. It's my favorite thing in Sri Lanka, called an egg roll. It's like a samosa, but there's a big egg in it. So good. $2, no, $1. Not even $1. Can you explain to me what Kottu is?
It looks like pad thai, but then made of roti. It means like bread. And they chopped it together like noodles.
And it's frickin' good. We eat it daily.